This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, December the 18th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some low and mid-level clouds over the Ohio Valley and northeastward into the New England states with a little bit of light snow there. But the main system we'll be watching is the one over the southwest with the arc of clouds heading into New Mexico and Texas. Watch warning map from just before midnight last evening. You can see winter storm watches and even blizzard watches in New Mexico into the panhandles of Texas, Oklahoma, and into southwestern Kansas, and winter weather advisories over western Michigan. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 6 o'clock shows most of the state seeing very little, if anything, with the heaviest precipitation down where those winter storm watches are, south of the state. And here's the latest NAM model, the 0Z NAM model of projected snowfall, and it too shows that maybe the southern tier of counties may see an inch, if that, while the north sees nothing. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 6 p.m. this evening. It'll be quiet across the area with that upper level feature over the desert southwest. With that, some precipitation there, rain, mountain snow. Here we'll have southwesterly winds at about 8 to maybe 20 miles per hour and highs upper 30s to maybe mid to upper 40s. But by Monday, there's the storm with the rain and even snow over the plains, the southern plains, with rain extending eastward into the southern Ohio Valley. By Tuesday, model wants to bring in some snow, but this could be snow, rain-snow mix, and it'll be very light. Maybe flurries, light snow showers, sprinkles, little if anything. Wednesday it's gone. Another system is coming in with some colder air behind it that could bring some flurries here Wednesday night, but most likely into Thursday. But here's Thursday, the chances are minimal at best. And even if we had a flurry or a snow shower, it's not going to dust the ground and not bring white Christmas to us. We head to Friday. Still some lake effect snow over the Great Lakes, rain over the southeast, some snow and maybe valley rain over the Pacific Northwest. Heading into Christmas Eve, this is fairly barren. Some light rain over South Florida, new storm moving into the Pacific Northwest, maybe some light rain over South Texas. By Christmas Day, here's a trough axis extending from Wisconsin southwestward to the Big Bend area of Texas, with a ridge over California and a ridge over southern Florida. With that, system develops over the Gulf, brings rain across Texas, eastward through Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, with some snow over the far northern parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. We head further into the month, the 29th. Trough axis moving through the state once again in this quick west-east flow that's pretty mild and not coming from the Arctic, and maybe some light snow showers or maybe a few flurries over northern Iowa. And this is not going to amount to a whole heck of a lot, with a fairly substantial storm over the Pacific Northwest. The end of the forecast, the 2nd of January, a decent system over Manitoba and Saskatchewan in Canada, with the continued flow west to east across the country. Could be some rain just south of us, Missouri, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas. A pretty decent storm over central Canada, and more weather moving into the west coast. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.